Hello, welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, I'm going to talk about Claude 3. Is this the one that takes out ChatGPT? Finally, I'm going to break it down in this story. So we're going dark. So we all know the landscape of AI, ChatGPT, the popular ones, but there has been some growing whatever you want to call it in Claude 3 as an AI system. So before I get started, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Thank you. So let's get into it. So what makes Claude 3 really stand out is how human it comes across in conversation. So, people have been using it as the exclusive chatbot since it launched on March 4th, and its reasoning, self-awareness, and collaborative abilities are beyond anything people have seen from ChatGPT or Google Gemini. So put through an IQ test, Claude 3 scored 101, making it smarter than the average human and beating GPT-4, which scored 85. It also performed better than or equal to humans in other benchmarks related to mathematics, information retrieval, and language. Feeling is one thing, but that doesn't translate well into an article, or a story. So there was a creation of a number of test prompts for the AI to see how well it responds. And, we're going to go over those prompts, in conjunction with the Gemini or ChatGPT. So explain the concept of time travel like I'm a curious 8-year-old, right? That was one of the things. And it says, this is a fun prompt and similar to one I've used in my head-to-head between ChatGPT and Gemini. It tests Claude's ability to work to a specific target audience and summarize a complex concept in such a way that anyone can understand. So it opened with, this is the Claude 3, right? It opened with, "Hi there, curious kid," which does kind of give off the same vibe as Steve B. I don't even know I don't want to mispronounce his name. Steve B. Skater Kid meme. But the actual content used effective metaphors, linking the feeling of waiting for a big event and a desire to skip that wait and get to the big day to the ability of jumping through time. It ended with, "So, while it's fun to imagine hopping into a time machine and exploring different eras, for now, we have to be patient and let time unfold one day at a time. But who knows? Maybe when you grow up, you'll be the one to figure out how to make time travel a reality." That was one of the things. And the next thing was, "My friend said something that hurt my feelings. How can I bring it up to them in a kind but honest way?" This is someone asking Claude 3 this, right? So this was one of the new tests that people haven't tried before. So it is designed to trigger a compassionate response as well as force the AI to consider different perspectives. So Claude presented 6 steps or 6 tips for maintaining a healthy relationship, including finding the right time and place, using I statements to avoid sounding accusatory, being very specific about the issue, letting them explain, being open to forgiveness, and setting boundaries when moving forward. So we all know that AI is supposedly taking a lot of jobs. Do you think that AI with Claude 3 has the ability to take away a psychologist's job, being this story? Let's continue. "The AI counseled me that the goal is to have an open, honest conversation to strengthen your friendship, not to blame or attack your friend. Approach the conversation with kindness and understanding, and hopefully your friend will do the same." So that is kind of like the two concepts that people have used for Claude 3. Again, somebody kind of asks some kind of something that you would ask a psychologist or something like that. Do you think that AI is going to replace psychologists? Friends? Who needs friends when you have AI? I don't know. Please let me know what you think in the comment section below. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button. Please take a moment to hit the like button. I appreciate your viewership and see you on the next video.